everybody! I am Sue Burgundy and I am burdened with glorious purpose. Okay, I love Loki. I've got this jigsaw and I've had it for about 1.5 years in my shelf, but now that the new season is done and we had the season's final, I finally did it, and yes, the second season wasn't as good as the first one in my opinion, but I still love everything about it. So, let's do the jigsaw. The Loki outro was one of the things I've lost, which I mentioned in other videos, that I lost a bunch of footage, and Loki was one of it. So since now the jigsaw is back in the box, I can't show you any details, but they are not as much details. So we've got the timekeepers up there, and because that's from season 1, so Sylvie is just small here. So we've got Mobius, Ravonna, Loki, and B15, and Miss Minutes, of course. So, and here we've got Loki on his throne. There it is. There. So that was Loki. I had fun doing this jigsaw. I hope you had fun watching me doing it. And if you like what you saw, you could hit the like button. You could subscribe. You don't have to, but you would support me. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see us on the next one. Bye bye.